Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 7 of the book Anishakal. The name of the chapter, the name of the story is Fair Play. Dear students, in the previous class I have told you that this story has been derived from the Hindi story Panch Parmeshwar that has been written by the Munshi Premchand in Hindi. And this is the translation, English translation version that we are reading this story in English, that is Fair Play. Dear students, in this story, in the previous class I have told you that there are three characters, there are three main characters. You should know that Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary and these are the main characters and major characters, and there are so many minor characters also. You will find this in this story, but they are minor. There is also the wife of Juman. Dear students, in the story we have seen that the Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary both are the very good friends. If one is not available in the village, then another is taking care of the family of the another person. You see, suppose that Juman Sheikh is not in the village, then Algu Chaudhary will take care of the family of Juman Sheikh. And Juman Sheikh has an aunt, old aunt, and now she has some property, and she has transferred her whole property to Juman Sheikh on the understanding that till the last breath of her life, Juman Sheikh will take care of her. And he will provide enough food to it, to the aunt. But what happened? This makeup, you can say this understanding worked well for 1-2 years, and after that, what happened? The wife of Juman Sheikh is not treating properly, not behaving properly with the aunt, and she is not giving enough food to eat. And now Algu Chaudhary has also changed. He is also saying that his wife knows how to run a house. So on this word, aunt became angry, and now she decided to take this matter to the court, to the panchayat. In the villages we find the panchayat, not court. In the cities we find the courts, but in the villages there is panchayat who used to deal the matter. Nowadays also we can find the panchayat in villages. So students, so aunt decided to take this case into the panchayat, and now she is seeking supports of the people. She is seeking supports of the villagers. But some people are laughing at her, some people are saying to make it up, some people are showing compassion, some people are showing, there is a particular word, showing sympathized, and some is saying that make it up with the Juman Sheikh and his wife. And at last also went to the Algu Chaudhary, who was the best friend of Juman Sheikh, and she is seeking support of Algu Chaudhary and saying that to come in the panchayat. And Algu Chaudhary said that, auntie you know, aunt, chachi you know, there is a particular word chachi is written here. And you see, Algu Chaudhary said that, chachi you know, Juman Sheikh is my best friend, how can go against him? So, but she said that it is not good to be mum. Mum means silent. After knowing all these things, after knowing all these condition, if you are silent, then that is not good. And this word is occurring in the mind of the Algu Chaudhary. How can he go against him? How can he go against Juman Sheikh, who is his best friend, for the sake of only aunt? But there is a matter, what is right and what is wrong. So Juman Sheikh, Algu Chaudhary will also do in the panchayat. So students, in the Previous class we have discussed the part 1 of this story. Those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. And now come to the next part. Part 2nd. Jasi Panchayat was held at the same evening under the banyan tree. Now there is a panchayat that is going on under the banyan tree. Jasi Juman stood up and said. Now Juman stood up and said, what he said? He announced, the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Juman Sheikh said that whatever the Panch will say, Panch means the head of the Panchayat. As in the court we find the judge who is the supreme power, who is the head of that court. In the same way in the Panchayat, the Panch is also the head of this Panchayat, and what he is saying, Juman Sheikh is saying that whatever the Panch will say, he will accept. He is saying a very famous quotation that the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. It means whatever the Panch will say, he will accept. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. Now he is also giving opportunity to aunt to appoint a head, to appoint the Panch. Juman Sheikh is giving chance, giving offer to nominate the Panch. Now just see, I'll abide by her decision. And he is saying, Juman Sheikh is saying that abide means bond. Abide means accept. Okay? So he is saying that, Juman Sheikh is saying that he is abide by her decision. जो जिसको चूज करेंगी मैं उसको मान लूंगा. Okay students? So just see, come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 6. Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. Here Panch knows, here Juman Sheikh is saying. Panch, aunt is saying that, what she is saying? Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. A Panch has no enemy, no friends. He only takes decisions, he only takes decision on the particular, on the hearings of the people. You see, Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. The old lady announced that. What do you say about Algu Chaudhary? Aunt करेगी Algu Chaudhary के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है? If she will appoint Algu Chaudhary as a Panch, then what is your opinion? Just see. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his wife over the unexpected piece of luck. Now he is feeling joy. Just see, it is here, it is written. Juman hiding his joy because he is very happy that Algu Chaudhary is his best friend. How can he go against him? So he was thinking that the matter is going in his favor because auntie has chosen the Panch to Algu Chaudhary. Just see students. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. He is showing that his luck is in his favor. Therefore, he is hiding his joy. वो क्या है? खुशी के मारे खुला नहीं समा रहा है. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, Algu said Algu. Now Algu is saying that Chachi, you know, you are aware with the friendship of mine and Juman. You know, आप जानते हैं कि हम दोनों अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो आप मुझे क्यों चुन रही हैं? Chachi, you aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt. Aunt replied, I know. She know, but I know that you will not kill your conscience. Conscience is a very good word. Conscience means antaratma, soul. You cannot kill your conscience. अपनी अंतर्दृष्टि नहीं खोएंगे. You see, I know that, replied the aunt, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience. She is saying, auntie is saying that I know you are the best friend of Juman, but you will not kill your conscience, you will not kill your soul. You will take the right decision, you will not think about the friendship. Just see. But I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. She is saying that you will not. She is saying to Algu Chaudhary that you will not kill your conscience on the basis of friendship. Just see. But God lives in the heart of the punch. There is a very famous line which is given here. God lives in the heart of the punch. यानी कि भगवान पंच के हृदय में रहते हैं. Yes, see. God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of God. And his voice, the voice of the punch is the voice of God. It means whatever the punch will say, she will also accept. And the old lady explained her case. Now old lady explained her case. What had happened in the family of Juman Singh. Now come to the next paragraph, students. Juman said, Algu, you and I are friends. Juman said, Algu. What he said? You and I are old friends. Both are the old friends. You all know in the beginning of the story. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. He is also saying, Algu Chaudhary is saying that your aunt is as dear as you. Now I am a punch. Now Algu Chaudhary is saying that now he is a punch. You and your aunt are equal to me. And he is also saying, Algu Chaudhary is also saying that his friend Juman Chaudhary and his aunt both are the same. Because he is now what? Punch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? And he is asking, Algu Chaudhary asking what you want to say in the defense against your aunt. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. 3 years ago. Now just see, 3 years ago what happened? Began Juman. Dear students, I want to call Gaurav sir. Please Gaurav sir come. And you all know that he is the English teacher of our school. Please come for 1 minute and contact to our students.
Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are very well at home. You all have done your homework. Prem sir have taught you about any chapter, and this time is I think going on the English honey is the fair play.
Yes.
Juman Singh and Algu Chaudhary. This is the bond of friendship. You know what is the bond of friendship? You will see in this chapter when Prem sir will teach you about this. Okay. So I hope you will understand about this and carefully you will study. And all the best for that. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for coming. Thank you, sir, for coming in my class. So you all have met our reverend, our respected Gaurav sir. So now come to the point. Just see, 3 years ago, before Juman, just see what is Juman saying. Juman is saying in defense of him. Just see, 3 years ago, began Juman. My aunt transferred her property to me. He is saying, Juman Singh is saying that his aunt transferred her whole property to him before 3 years. 3 years ago. And just see, I promised to support her as long as she will. And he has also promised that he will support the aunt, he will take care of her aunt till the last breath of her life. I have done all I could. Juman Singh is saying that he has done all those things, all those necessary things which is required for aunt. Just see. I have done all I could. There had been a couple of quarrels between me, my wife and her. And he is also saying that there is a couple of means एक दो बार, 1-2 times. Just see, a couple of quarrels between my wife and her. He is also saying that there is sometimes there may be quarrels between my wife and my aunt. Who is saying? Juman is saying. But I can't stop it. But he is saying that he cannot stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance for me. Now he is saying that Juman Singh is saying that his aunt is claiming for the monthly allowance. Monthly allowance means I have told you in the previous class that to give some monies monthly. Now my aunt is claiming for monthly allowance. This is not possible. That's had to say. And Juman Singh is that her aunt is asking, demanding for the monthly allowance, but he is not ready to give. He is not able to give the monthly allowance. That's I had to say. This is the thing that Juman Singh wanted to say. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph number 7. Just see, Juman was cross-examined. Now just see, Juman was cross-examined. Cross-examined means जांच पड़ताल करना, to check out. Just see, Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Now he was cross-examined. इसका जांच पड़ताल किया गया. He was checked by whom? Algu and others. Now Algu announced. Now Algu is going to give the decision. We had gone into the matter carefully. Algu is saying that he has gone into the matter carefully. He has understood the matter. Now he is going to express, going to declare his opinion. Now just see, in our opinion, Juman must pay his, turn the page students, aunt a monthly allowance or else property goes back to her. Now just see, he is saying that Algu Chaudhary is giving declaration that Juman must pay his aunt monthly allowance. He has to pay the monthly allowance, monthly income to her aunt. If he will not pay that monthly allowance, then what will happen? The property goes back to aunt. Now just see. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. Seldom means rarely. Seldom means rarely. Now, when Algu Chaudhary declared his opinion, then both are not seen to each other because he gave his decision against Juman Singh. Now see, the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. Now the bond of friendship between Juman Singh and Algu Chaudhary has been broken. For the sake of art. Just see. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. Bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Now both become. Although in the beginning of the story we have seen that both are the best friends. If one is not available in the village, then other friend is taking care of the family of him. But now here in the last line of the part 2 says that now both become the enemies. Now just see, in fact Juman was Algu's enemy. Now both are the enemies and wanted his revenge. And now Juman also wanted to take his revenge. Okay students, so this is all about the up to paragraph number 2nd, up to part number 2nd. There are 3 parts, students. In the next class, we will discuss the 3rd part of this story. Okay, students, if you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.